where somebody might be healthiest at a BMI of 26, and they're just run down all the time as they try to get smaller. We'll finish up with appetites and then take a break before we do the vitamins and minerals. Appetite means your desire to eat. It's controlled by the hypothalamus. If you remember that guy at the base of the brain, major control center for homeostasis, including food and drink. Two major hormones involved are leptin and ghrelin. Leptin decreases your appetite, tells your hypothalamus, yeah, we got enough energy, we don't need to eat more right now. It's secreted by the adipose cells, so basically they're saying, yeah, we got plenty in storage, you're good. Ghrelin, I love this name, it is secreted by the stomach and increases appetite. So it's basically your stomach saying, I'm empty, give me some food. It's growling. So each hormone acts on the hypothalamus to tell it what's going on in the body and whether we should eat more. So if you are low on energy, like fasting, say, you're practicing Ramadan, or it's just first thing in the morning and you haven't eaten since dinner last night, the stomach cells secrete ghrelin, which goes to the hypothalamus and tells it that we need more food, and it tells the cerebrum, be hungry. On the other hand, if you've been eating extra, the adipocytes secrete the leptin, which again goes to the hypothalamus and it tells it we've got plenty of food, and that should have it tell your cerebrum that you're not hungry. Now, when they first discovered leptin, it was kind of a big celebration of, hey, this could be a cure for obesity. We supplement people with leptin and it'll make them not hungry. And then it turned out that a lot of people who are overweight, they're resistant to leptin, so their hypothalamus isn't getting that signal. Questions on appetite? All right, so let's pause here, take a break.